From the world of celebrities, Nigerian senator and businessman Ned Nwoko has celebrated 6 years of marriage with his actress wife, Regina, dedicating a heartfelt poem to her while announcing that they are expecting their third child. In an Instagram post on Thursday, Nwoko praised Regina for her unwavering support over the years, describing their love as untamed, wild, and free, despite public scrutiny. Amid speculation about their relationship, Nwoko dismissed rumors that Regina had left him, insisting that she remains devoted to their marriage and their 2 sons. He also denied allegations that he had fathered a child outside their union, maintaining that he has never considered marrying a non-virgin or a divorcee. Capping off his tribute, Nwoko made a surprise announcement, revealing that Regina is pregnant with their 3rd child. And here's the cherry on top: just when they thought they had their say, baby number 3 is on the way, a new heartbeat, a love so grand, another blessing in my hand. The couple, whose marriage sparked controversy in 2019 due to their significant age difference, has continued to make headlines, with Regina often sharing glimpses of their family life. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.